Hi everybody, my name's Tim, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Federal Unemployment Tax Act, or FUTA for short is how we abbreviate. Most businesses participate in the state unemployment tax program, so they get a credit for paying that before they pay federal unemployment tax. But the point is that the net FUTA rate almost always is 0.8%, which is the same thing as 0.008. Remember, that's slightly less than 1%. Also, the maximum amount of an individual's wages that are going to be taxable to the employer is going to be $7,000. So the most any employer is going to pay for federal unemployment taxes is $56 per year. I'd like to take you through a brief example. Let's say an individual earns $800 a week. Federal unemployment taxes are paid on a quarterly basis, and that amounts to 13 weeks. If we take the $800 a week times the 13 weeks, we get a total wages for the quarter for this individual of $10,400. The maximum taxable for FUTA is $7,000, and we will pay tax on that, and that means that $3,400 of the wages are not taxable. So here's what we get for an individual in this example. We get $7,000 times 0.008, or $56 that we have to pay in FUTA taxes for this individual. Let's take a second example. And again, here we're looking at quarters here, first quarter, second quarter, and third quarter. And I'm taking the example of a part-time individual who gets paid $200 a week. Again, the quarter is 13 weeks, so this person has earned a total of $2,600 for the quarter. We multiply that times 0.008, and we get a total of $20.80 that we have to pay in FUTA taxes for the first quarter. During the second quarter, we get a similar computation, and once again we have to pay $20.80 on federal unemployment taxes for this individual. In the third quarter, we're going to hit the ceiling, or the maximum amount taxable for FUTA. The maximum, recall that the maximum is $7,000. Well, this person has already paid taxes on a total of $5,200, and we subtract that from the 7, that means that we have $1,800 that are taxable for this individual in the third quarter. We multiply this times 0.008, and we get $1,440 that we have to pay in federal unemployment taxes for the third quarter. And as you can see, if we take that 2080, and the $1,440 added up, we get a total of $56 that we paid for this individual in FUTA taxes for the year.